Okay guys, it is about 11 a.m. in the morning and we are here in Ninh Binh, North Vietnam, and we are about to get on a bus in about a half hour and go up to Hanoi. Actually, we're taking a van this time, so it'll be a different, we've done a bus, many buses actually, a train. Now we're going to do a van for the 2 to 3 hour trip up to Hanoi. But while we're sitting around, getting ready, just relaxing, getting ready for a bus ride, we're in a nice, very nice cafe right off the street, and we ordered a coconut coffee and some mango pancakes. Our hotel gives big breakfast, so this is just kind of a snack before we get on the bus.
Hours later.
Welcome to our room for next 3 nights in Hanoi. We stay at the Golden Holiday Hotel. Look at the room, it's so weird. Look at this huge bed right here. Look at this bed.
God, you could use
We have 2 beds here.
You could use that one bed as a trampoline. That's like a double king size. It's one of the biggest beds I've ever seen. Look at this thing. Massive.
Like, I think you can fit 4 people here and 1 people or 2 people here. And here's a bathroom. Ta-da!
Wow.
Clean, nice and clean, and have a bathtub. Right
With shower?
there, with a shower.
Okay, looks very comfortable.
Look very comfortable. Oh, what is this? What is
That's a
this?
hairdryer. I think it's a hairdryer.
No, hair dryer is right here. What is this then?
I have no idea. I think it's a hairdryer that the suction was taken off, so they gave you that.
Anybody know what it is?
If anybody knows what that is, please leave us something in the comments.
How we use this? Okay. Okay.
So are you gonna do the beds? Okay. Maybe we can both do it. Want to both do it at the same time? Since it's so big? 2, 3.
Good. Okay, nice.
What number would you give it?
I give
1 out of 10?
8.
8, okay. So we just got here. It's been a 2-hour drive from Ninh Binh, which was we had a great time down there. We're gonna be here for 3 days before we head to Hon Long Bay to be on a boat, which was really exciting. We're looking forward to that. But for right now, we're just looking forward to getting to know Hanoi a little better. And it's our first time here for both of us, so we're excited about just getting out and seeing the sights and tasting the food and everything else, right?
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Okay, Anne's pumped up. It's 4 in the afternoon. She's still got to do some stuff. I'm sure one of them is going to be eating. So, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going out on the street, and we'll take you with us in just a few minutes. Welcome to Hanoi. We just walked outside our hotel and we are immediately impressed. The streets are small, and yes, you do have to walk in the street a little, but it's so nice here. You can see basically how life goes on in this city just by walking down the streets. Very beautiful. The streets are tree lined here in the old quarter. So much going on, so much to eat. We're gonna go find a place to eat now, and Anne's gonna keep the camera on just so you get a taste of how cool Hanoi is. It's just a really cool city from what we've seen so far, because there's just energy, people walking around all over the place, and so much going on.
I have no word. The pet it shocked me.
You really do have to walk in the streets here. There's just motorcycles and food being cooked on all the sidewalks.
This is crazy.
It's a mixture of Delhi and Bangkok, I think.
Yeah, I think like Bangkok and India mix each other.
It's got the chaos of Delhi, but the kind of street feeling of some of the busy streets in Bangkok.
Look at this, like motorcycle park in the middle of the road.
I love it. There's no room to park your motorbike. You just park it in the middle of the street. I mean, there's more stores and shops on the street here than any place I've ever been, except maybe Delhi. Okay, so for our first meal in Hanoi, I've gotten stir-fried beef with pineapple and mixed vegetables and rice. As you know, we went out to eat, as we showed you this place we went to eat, and we came back here, and about 2 hours later, Anne started getting pretty sick. She's got diarrhea, vomiting. It's clearly food poisoning. We think it's some pork she ate in the restaurant. Anyways, here she is now, throwing up again. Anyways, we do have travel insurance. I'm taking her to the hospital now. The front desk, we have a guy who speaks really good English, and he introduced me to a doctor who speaks really good English. So we're on our way to a private hospital now. See, she's throwing up now. This is at least the 4th or 5th time since last night she's thrown up. So, and she said her whole body aches and she's just feeling miserable. So we're gonna get in a taxi and go to the private hospital. We'll see how our insurance works. We'll let you know everything about it. And, you know, we'll keep you posted. We're gonna get in the taxi in just a few minutes, and we'll see you at the hospital. Yeah.
I have an example.
Hey guys, I'm still in the hospital. I'm here with Anne. She's had some tests. She had a blood test and had an ultrasound. We're going to go into the doctor and find out what's happening. So far, all the tests have been about $120 equivalent in dong. And I hope the insurance pays for it. We'll let you know in the future. We'll have to make an insurance claim when we get back to Thailand. So, you know, we'll see what happens. And Anne will talk once we get out of the hospital. And we'll see what the test results are in a few minutes. We're just waiting outside the doctor's office.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're back in the car. Anne had an obstruction in her intestines, so they gave her a lot of medicine. Total bill, I think, is about maybe about $100 because we got a refund at the back at the end. But that's the total bill is about $100. So how do you feel, Donnie?
Still weak.
And you ready to take all the pills I gave you?
Yeah.
Ready to get lots of rest?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're heading back to the hotel. Anne's going to be sleeping today. I'm hoping we're supposed to leave day after tomorrow for Halong Bay. We have a boat trip there. So as long as she's well by tomorrow night, we're ready to go. But I think we'll probably be resting for the next couple days. I'll be going out to get food and stuff. Anne will be sleeping. So that's it for now. We'll let you know which insurance company we used and if it paid out. So that'll be interesting because what we found out is most hospitals want you to pay and then you just go to your insurance company when you get back home. So we'll let you know more about that. Hey guys, so we are getting near the beer corner, which is this intersection of all these streets that after 4 p.m. in the afternoon, they open up every day, and you can get beer here, and it's just this huge area.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Good, fine.
Yeah, bye. See you. Good food and cold beer.
Maybe I come back here.
Thank you.
So wow, the touts are really out there. They're trying to pull you into every restaurant possible. Hello. So there's a type of beer called Bia Hoi. That's it, Bia Hoi, which is supposed to be a really cheap beer that's made in Hanoi. Everybody thinks is great. There's supposed to be a lot of good beers here. I'm just gonna try one. And Anne's not with me because she's still sick, staying at home. So I am going to find a seat and grab a beer and you know, see how good it is. I think this place picks up more as it gets later. It's 5:30 in the afternoon, so probably by about 8 or 9, it's probably really packed. Okay, so I'm sitting alongside the street in a restaurant. Yeah, I'm just going to be sitting here alone. Kind of a strange night, not being with Anne, but she needs a rest. I just got served my beer Hoi right here. Want to see how it tastes? Wow, very mild. I think it's only 3% beer, but it's incredibly cheap. I think it's about 50 cents, about half a dollar. It's incredible. The beer in Hanoi is, in Vietnam in general, is very, very cheap. I'm not a big drinker, but I've been told to try this, and it is. It's very smooth. Tastes good. So, cheers. Excellent. Okay guys, so I had some beers and pho. I feel great. I'm going to head back to see how Anne's doing, but before that I'm going to just walk through here and show you the crowd.
Hello, come in.
Okay. So many streets converging and the people are starting to pour in. It's now about 7 or 8 o'clock and this is open till midnight every night. You have to watch out because even while you're sitting around or just walking, the motorcycles continue to fly by. The motorcycles do look out for you, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to get hit. Everybody's enjoying the food. I love the way the chairs and tables are so small. They're built for, like, I don't know, people that are about 5'5", and but you just get used to them. I just got a chair that was just like that. Welcome to Vietnam, the land of small chairs. This is the best street down here. A lot of really nice pubs, a lot of nice restaurants, but they really, really come after you, the hawkers. I come down here every night that we're here. I probably will come down about tomorrow night before we go to Ha Long Bay. No thank you. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah. Hey.
Hello, my friend. You want something? Hey. Can I have how many people?
No thanks. Man, is it hard getting out of here.
Hello, beer.
No thanks. I already ate. I already had some beers. I already had some beers. Okay guys, so I'll touch base with you tomorrow. Anne and I have another place we want to go to. Hopefully Anne will be up for it. and then the next day we're off to Ha Long Bay. So we'll see, I guess, tomorrow first thing. Find out how Anne's doing, and then we'll see what the schedule is. All right, man. Good night.